Exchange.
What's up, guys? Your boy Russ again, back with another one. I'm in the car with my beautiful wife. We on our way to Potomac, cars and coffee. My boy is already up there. He got the Track Hawk you guys saw in one of the vlogs. He says it's deep up there, and he says a whole bunch of good cars up there. So we're gonna go up there, we're gonna check it out, guys, and we're gonna see what we can see. Hopefully they got the Lambs out, the Ferraris, the Porsches, the McLarens, all that. This is an area out here in Maryland, you know, where people got some money. So we're gonna see a lot of exotic cars today. Of course, I'm coming through in a Hellcat, so they're gonna be like, ooh, it's a Hellcat, but it's nothing like this Lamb. So, but we still good, we still shining, guys. And if you're new to the channel, take a second right now, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell. I know I still gotta do the 2,500 subscriber giveaway, is still coming, and we got a lot of new things coming to the channel, like I keep saying over and over again. So stay tuned, just follow me on this journey, guys, and we gonna keep doing it. So stand by. Man, this hella deep.
What you want?
We cross the street.
Cross the street?
Me and my boy with the GTR, he crossed the street over there, yo. You
Alright.
see Brandy, she sitting in the car waiting for you, Tom.
Alright. Oh, they got everything out. They got the C8s out here. Oh yeah. All right, what up, guys? We out here. Behind me is a little overflow lot. It's the overflow lot for all these cars, man. There's so many cars out here. It's pretty ridiculous. The last one I shot, it wasn't nowhere near this many cars out here. And we talking about exotics, domestics, Euros, everything out here. So I'm getting ready to cross the street, and we're gonna go over here and see what we got. I'm gonna try to walk down every line so you guys can see. But yeah, everything is out here. I'm trying to link up with my boy. That's clean RX-7. See the Porsches, Aston Martins, Aston Martin. Oh, they got a little crew. It's Aston Martin gang. Plus we got our domestics. Camaro 392. It's clean SS. But this is what I was talking about, guys. Look at this thing. This thing is sick, brother.
Appreciate you. Check us out on the
Sick. Hey, make sure you follow me back, man.
What's up?
I said make sure you follow me back on Instagram.
Absolutely.
I'm the one that came through with the wide body Hellcat, the black one.
Yes.
Yeah. This thing is nasty.
Appreciate you.
God. That's what I'm talking about. So yeah, guys, check them out. You see them right here. Reaper Rally. Reaper Rally. That says clean. I like the hood.
Right here's a 10.
The AMG. What is it, C63? Look like a C63. Carbon fiber wing. Yeah. Oh, it's an E63. Got the Evos out here. I used to want one of these, the G8. Dope color scat. Go back through this line because there was some things in this line. Got another R8 right here. E10. Clean. Follow right here. LT1 Camaro. Got Supra.
I know, so I watched you drive down 28. They weren't very bright. So,
If it has to be 12, okay.
Got track hop. Yeah.
Your light's still on.
Nah, they can stay on. It ain't gonna drain it.
Oh,
Yeah.
to make sure.
Yeah, LEDs, they don't drain.
Alright,
They don't drain. I appreciate it though.
All right. All things are the same, but I put the LEDs in.
Brake calipers on the hub. Got the Lamb out here. There's a black interior. Sheesh. Another Scatty. Scatty right here. Another RT. We got a couple Evos out here. Evo over there, Evo right here. Corvette. 1 Series Beamer. Another 1 Series. I like these wheels. Got the Porsche. Guess this is Subi gang right here. Plain BMW. Another Porsche. Like I said, it's some stuff out here, guys. Like, look at all this, man. I go this way.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's a clean wrap. You know I'm a fan of the purple. I like that. So much stuff out here. A bunch of Beamers. That's just the BMW takeover. So many Beamers out here. I'm trying to give you guys everything. It's so much. Trying to hit both sides so you guys can see. That's a clean Beamer. Shaker. It's Porsche clean. I ain't a fan of Destroyer Gray, but this thing clean. Wide body. It's an extreme wide body. I like the red accents, red interior. Got a cage in there. I might need to save this info. I guess they do wraps, new age wraps. You know somebody to do wraps. That's clean. Might have to look into that. But yeah, guys, it's crazy overflow out here, man. They everywhere. Overflow crazy. every line for you guys. It's clean. He ate the lip up though. On bangs. Cobra. Nasty. Yeah, they got that's 2K, C6. Got a little bit over here. I see a McLaren over here. I think this is the one I saw in the last one I did. Got a couple Mercedes. I was gonna rent one of these. I think I'm gonna rent one of these when I go down to Miami.
Oh yeah.
Cause you can get it convertible. That's dope. When we go to Miami, yeah, I might grab one of these. This thing is sick. Camaro. Got a Rouse 5L. Couple CVs. GTIs. That's what I'm trying to see. This McLaren right here. I think I seen this one last time. It's a nice AMG right here. Mustang.
Yeah, it was cold, yo.
Yeah, we got freaking a lot going on. I don't see my boy, man. I seen him when we pulled through, but I don't see him. Oh, clean beamers. Look at this NSX. Woo! NSX. Clean. Clean. Chevy SF. Somebody did some work on it. A Marauder. Boosted. That's dope. That's pretty unique. That's dope. I like that color. What you guys think? Should I wrap rave in this color? See that purple? What do you guys think? I think I'm going metallic purple, but I kind of like that one. I want something when I turn the corner, you just be like, oh, that's him. So. Sheesh. It's just ignorant. Ah. Yeah, like. Sheesh. That's VJ, y'all see it. Y'all see it. I've been a door, doors up.
Yours is turbo, right? No.
That's VJ.
Pretty much like rubber band. Millimeter rubber band.
Porsche. C63. Audis, Mustang boys. Turbo Civic. Y'all know I'm a fan of red. I love red. Anything I see red gonna attract my eye. GT4 Porsche. 20 years. Doors is crazy. It's a little too tight for me, but sheesh. I don't know, the SVJ might be the thumbnail, guys. I don't even know yet. Got the Jag F-Type. Look at this one. Woo. This is one of my favorites right here. You see that shifter? Yeah. Yeah. I love the old schools. Love the old schools. I don't think just because I drive a Hellcat, I don't love my old schools. Yeah. Man. Look at that. He on the 888s. That shit nasty too. Park right next to the Rari. Oh, I see what it is. Look at that interior.
Man, me and Chad were coming back from Merriweather. I'm probably a motherfucker in a Q60 at a red light.
That is exactly how your dad has when he said motherfucker.
A bunch of Porsches up there.
It's like late night.
So I saw stuff in the bed.
Tell me what's your guy's favorite. Tell me what's your favorite down in the comments. Tell me what's your favorite Porsche. Tell me what's your favorite car out here. All that. Love it, SVJ.
But it would have to
There's some black interior. We go right there. Follow me on Instagram. Yeah, it's crazy, bro. Like,
no, the maintenance is a bitch, though.
of course it is. Of course it is. But when you got a joint like that, you don't care about that.
Yeah. That brown leather is nice.
Yeah. God.
Weekend car only. Maybe Sunday only.
Sunday only? Nah. I gotta pull this out Friday, Saturday night. You know what I mean? Oh man. God, you see it. People out here with these cars, man. I mean, you can do it too. Work hard. I said I don't like the sugar gray or smoke show, but I like this gray. I don't know what this one is. Y'all see the flake? I like that gray.
Okay. That's my favorite car. I spun out and blasted by
Got another track hawk out here.
No way for you guys to be able to know how fast I'm going.
Another Hellcat. I like those wheels. I like that, what he did right there. That's pretty cool. I need a front lift for mine real bad. Need me a lip. see if they got anything here. Subi, couple Porsches. I missed something. I don't think I went through this line. Like I said, guys, so much out here. A couple intersections right here. GTR. This is clean. This might be a Q60. I like those wheels. Anti-bag. Carbon fiber trunk and spoil on it. You got a D badge. Another SF. Yeah. Clean. All right, guys, I walked around. You guys got to see most of the cars out here. You probably didn't see all of them. I probably didn't hit every car out here, but I hit enough for you guys to see that they ain't playing out here, man. Like I said, dudes around this area, they got some money, man. So they got some cars out here. This number 49 out of 100.
Well, only 50 in the States.
Oh shoot. So 49 out of 50 in the States. And this color. This color crazy. I don't know if you see, they probably can't see it.
Yeah, you can. You
Like,
can't
you
never
can-
really catch it on camera.
Like the way his color flipping on this thing is crazy. It's like purple, freaking root beer. Like, it's like a whole bunch of colors in this. Like, as y'all see, it's purple right here. But when I was coming around the side, it was like some root beer. You see it right there. This is nuts, bro. This color is sick. You definitely got one of the best colors I've seen.
And that was the only reason I got it. And plus, it was all stock. So.
Oh yeah, you gotta get it stocked.
Untouched, yeah.
Yeah, you don't want nobody even beating on, acting crazy. Man, we over here in this overflow lot, guys. There's a couple cars back here. I ain't know some Astons over here and all that. Oh, that thing clean. That thing is clean. I see him. I like that blue. Got the SS right here. This is that 392 wide body Scat that was behind me. It's clean. As y'all see, you can put this this wicker on the back. I don't know where you got it from. That's a clean Wickerbill though. Got the Porsche. Look at this. These was hiding over here. Clean M3. Y'all can follow him on Instagram. Panda Lives Matter. We got the Panda in there on the seat.
They like everyone says Mercedes brake.
Clean.
Is it true? Like, so I got stranded.
Another Aston.
You did?
It's the Aston crew.
I take mine in for regular.
How much you paid for that one?
Yeah. So I feel like
How much you paid for that one?
Huh?
How much you paid for that one?
2012 was like 47,000.
Bruh.
Bought it over in
See,
Virginia.
y'all hear the man. You hear? 47,000. Look, 47,000. He got an Aston. Can you pop the door?
Yep.
47,000. Y'all hear it? Like,
Yes.
these cars are attainable, guys.
They
I'm
are.
telling you, they are attainable.
The best two cars to buy on the used market, I would say, is an Aston Martin Vantage and a Maserati Gran Turismo.
And a Maserati. See, look.
And you-
I was gonna buy. What is it? What's the one?
It's a Gran Turismo.
The GT? Is it the GTS or whatever?
It's a Gran Turismo Sport.
Yeah, the top one. The top
The
of the line.
two-door, yeah. So I would say one that's a model year 2013 or
2013?
newer.
Okay.
Right, under 40,000 miles. You want something in 20 to 25,000 miles.
Okay.
Right, because historically it's Italian cars, so you have certain quirks like the engine, the variators, and things like
Okay.
that, which we all know if you own one, right?
Okay.
But you want that these cars are definitely worth picking up on the reuse market.
Okay.
And they're rare, so
Yeah,
you can
exactly.
even search. You're not gonna get 7 pages of Aston Martins for sale at this price range. So
Exactly.
it's a beautiful car, man.
It is. This color is dope, man.
Yes, it is.
This
That's why
color,
I bought it. That's why I bought it.
this color is dope. And I like the door handles. Look at the door handles. Like, yeah.
That's Aston Martin specific right there. They do that to all the.
The only reason I didn't buy that Maserati, because I was looking at them, is because it's 4 seats.
Well, that's why I got kids. So
See,
it's a
I
good
needed
touring,
5
it's a
seats.
touring car.
Yeah,
right?
but
Oh, you need 5.
I need
Yeah,
5.
yeah.
I
That
needed the
hump,
5.
Oh my God. So my wife drives it, right?
Yeah.
We got 2 girls. And then she picked up a niece, and her niece came home and she said, "Get your ass off that hump." Like, that's not a fucking
That's
chair.
not a seat.
Those are 2 bucket seats.
Right.
Like, we're going to treat it like that. I'm going to put you in that. Yeah, man.
Man, I love this thing. This thing nice.
No, man, but I tell you what, I mean, there are a couple other cars. Like, for me, I'm not a Porsche person, right? I'm not into the German engineering. They fast cars,
Yeah.
but they're small. They're really, really small. This car doesn't feel that way. Italian engineering is far faster than British engineering. Let me make that very clear. This is a single clutch engine, right? Versus an F1 transmission sitting in a Ferrari. You hit that sport button in the Maserati, that sport button is fucking real.
Yeah.
You will find yourself on a tree.
I like the way they sound when you hit that sport button.
Right, this one,
When you hit that sport
you gotta be 65, 70 miles an hour to get that rank out of it.
Yeah. Bruh. Listen, you heard the man. It's attainable, man. 40-something thousand. He picked this up. So come on, man. This is crazy. You can get them, man. This is a newer one, obviously, because of the hood. But you can get these cars, man. You can get them. Good prices. And like he said, get them with low miles, so you ain't got to worry about the huge maintenance things up front, and just save for your maintenance, and you be all right. But I'm not into these upper echelon cars. I'm into going fast, so I'm gonna stick to my cat world.
$500,000 Rolls.
I ain't gonna lie. But everything out here, guys, is attainable. Like, they got it, you can get it. Just work hard for it, do what you gotta do. You can have any car out here. So look at this as encouragement. Look at this as positivity, that you can get there too. So this gonna wrap this one up, guys. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, turn on that notification bell to stay updated with all the new content. Peace.